And hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Alright, this is Max. Mayroon ako ngayon Zane. Nakalock sa Zane. Ang model nito is Huawei E5785 LH-92A. So i-unlock natin siya. So what's my video guys? First thing to do is this symbol muna natin.
Tanggalin muna natin yung scroll sa symbol.
So after this symbol, connect natin sa ito yung test point nito guys. Itong test point nito. So let's go. Connect natin. So yan guys, antayin lang natin na matapos. It will take I think 2 to 3 minutes. So alright, finish na siya flashing. Antayin natin na mag-reboot ulit. So let's proceed. Well, actually, in this process, hingi siya ng data lock code. So, if in case na hingi siya ng data lock code, meron tayong code para dyan, which is ito. Sorry. Ito yung code. So, wait lang natin matapos. That's it. Finish na. So latest version natin na sub now is 24.1133. So insert natin yung SIM card. So, nakalock sa Zane to. So, subukan natin yung mobile eh. i-insert na mabuti yung SIM natin. So, ito na guys, unlock na siya with 4G signal. Subukan natin. Nine 601. Just ito yung password niya. So ito na. So, ito na guys, working na siya. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to share and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.